On this chilly morning, the need for a refreshing hot shower is undeniable. But alas, your faulty heater stands silent, refusing to yield its warmth. Make your morning shower effortless and eco-friendly. We're offering both electrical and solar water heaters to cater to your every hot water need. Whether you prefer traditional convenience or eco-friendly innovation, we've got you covered. This 10 to 200 liter electric water heater is the ideal choice for small households, or as a supplementary unit in larger settings, such as hotels and more. This 200 to 500 liter capacity freestanding water heater is a perfect fit for small households, or as an excellent supplementary unit for larger ones. The 200 and 300 liter solar water heaters offer a generous capacity suitable for medium to large households. Our solar water heater isn't just about saving money, it's about embracing a sustainable future. Discover eco-conscious comfort with our water heaters, meticulously crafted in Italy, Belgium, Greece, and China. These global choices offer sustainability and reliability with every drop of hot water. FAJ is proud to offer a selection of these trusted water heater brands. So contact us. Hot water on demand, always at your command.